Swan crawls slowly, eats the leaves, then it comes out of its cocoon and starts to fly. What is this? Tell me now. Caterpillar! Guess what flies? Its feathers shine with bright colors. It makes beautiful sounds and sings songs. What is this? Tell me now. Guess what weaves? Makes webs with its tiny legs. It stretches delicate webs between the branches of trees. What is this? Tell me now. Spider! Guess what swims? Glides silently across the lake. With its white feathers, it looks so graceful. What is this? Tell me now. Swan! Guess who walks, slides on ice, and dives into water? Wearing black and white, it lives in the polar regions. What is this? Tell me now. Penguin! Guess what crawls, hides underground? It digs tiny tunnels and lives in the dark. What is this? Tell me now. Worm! Guess who is tall? Its neck reaches up to the sky. It eats leaves from the trees. What is this? Tell me now. Giraffe! Guess who is patient? Carries loads on its back. It can go a long time without water in the desert. What is this? Tell me now.